Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for July 21st, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. And stay tuned till the end for today's AI Market Roundup. Breaking news: AI is building solar farms and getting a new Google chip. Here's what you need to know. Grit exits stealth with $34 million for robots to build solar plants. Then, everything else. A company called Grit just came out of hiding. They raised $34 million to build robots that can handle the toughest jobs on construction sites. Their first mission? Building solar plants. Think of it like a smart, strong robot that can lift heavy panels and work all day without getting tired. What this means for you: solar energy could get built faster and cheaper, which might lower your electricity bills someday. Anthropic's landmark $1.5 billion copyright settlement is approved. Anthropic, the company behind the Claude AI assistant, just got a court to approve a $1.5 billion settlement over copyright claims. That's a huge amount, enough to buy a small island. But it doesn't solve the bigger question: can AI companies use public data to train their models? What this means for you: this case could set a rule for how AI learns from the internet, which affects every AI tool you use. Google's Gemini chip, AMD versus NVIDIA, Agent Economics. A new TLDA newsletter rounds up 3 big AI topics. Google is building a custom chip for its Gemini AI. Think of it like a race car engine built just for one driver. Meanwhile, AMD and NVIDIA are battling to power the next wave of AI. And researchers are studying how to make AI agents, smart digital assistants, actually profitable. What this means for you: faster, cheaper AI means your apps and devices will get smarter without costing you more. Trump's latest AI czar has already resigned. The director of the Center for AI Standards and Innovation, CAISI, a government office focused on AI rules, has quit. This is the second person to leave the role since David Sachs stepped down as the AI czar earlier. It seems like a tough job, setting rules for an industry that changes every week. What this means for you: government AI policy is in flux, which could mean slower or faster rules on how AI affects your privacy and job. AI's most important protocol is getting a little bit easier to use. A key system that lets different AI tools talk to each other is getting an upgrade. It's called the Model Context Protocol, MCP, and it's like a universal translator for AI apps. The new version makes it simpler for developers to connect AI assistants to websites and services. What this means for you: soon, your AI assistant might be able to book flights or order food more smoothly because the backend is getting simpler. X relaunches a rebuilt Android app after year-long effort. X, formerly Twitter, just released a completely rebuilt version of its Android app. It took them over a year to rewrite the code from scratch. The new app should be faster and more reliable. Think of it like renovating a house from the foundation up. What this means for you: if you use X on Android, your app should now load quicker and crash less. Bristol Myers, NVIDIA joined forces to build life sciences' most powerful AI factory. Drug company Bristol Myers Squibb BMY and chipmaker NVIDIA NVDA are teaming up to build what they call the most powerful AI supercomputer for life sciences. This machine will help discover new drugs faster by simulating how medicines interact with the body. What this means for you: faster drug discovery could mean new treatments for diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's arrive years sooner. Conclusion and key takeaways. That's your AI News Roundup for today. Big moves from Google, NVIDIA, and SpaceX, plus robots building solar farms and a new surgery AI. It's all happening fast. The key takeaway? AI is becoming more practical and personal every week. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next update. Don't forget, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for daily AI news that actually makes sense. Drop a comment. Which story surprised you most? See you next time.